So, how to fix Instagram camera glitch or not working in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in this new tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix this problem easy and fast. So it is very easy to solve actually. All what you have to do is just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager right here. As you can see, go to apps. Now scroll down until you find Instagram and click on it. After that, click on the force stop option and then go down to the permissions and make sure to enable the camera permissions from here, and then go back again and this time click on the app details. It will take you directly to the Play Store as you can see. So all what you have to do here is just go and click on update to update your Instagram app. That's it guys, very easy to solve as you can see, and I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.